Chicago Board of Trade's soybean futures swung down this week. Data shows that the soybean futures fell to about $8 per bushel on Monday. That was a 21% decrease year on year, hitting the lowest level since 2008.
Compared with like normal years, these prices are probably off by $1, maybe $2. So that's close to 20 to 25% off our regular pace. It hit a 10-year low. So we haven't seen these prices in quite a while, but the problems still remain with the tariff wars right now, and I think that it's going to be very difficult still going forward.
China is the world's top soybean importer, buying some 100 million tons every year. That's almost 2/3 of the global trade. China is also the largest buyer of U.S. soybeans. In the past couple of years, around 60% of all U.S. soybean exports have come to China. But as U.S. President Donald Trump escalates trade tensions with China, the U.S. soybean industry is expected to be severely hit.
There's a trade war going on right now with China, and the price of soybeans is very low in the United States. So farmers that grow soybeans are faced with the possibility of not even making money to do so. So there'll be no new machinery. I'll be doing everything I can to cut all the expenses I can. I'll even be renegotiating rents, trying to lower my cost of production for soybeans.
Data from the United States Agriculture Department shows that the soybean seeding process so far is 9%, 29% lower than the usual rate. Meanwhile, analysts estimated an annual decrease of 10 billion tons in soybean exports this year. That would be an 18.4% decrease year on year. Timothy Ulrich, CGTN.